is gonna be the best honeymoon helicopter adventure ever.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
First time in a helicopter, you two?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm your cat. Where's the collective pitch control again? Tom, you know this. The collective pitch control is on me, the pilot's left-hand side.
Shouldn't he know that already?
Oh yeah, he's in training. Oh yeah, I'm in training. Yeah, this is Tom. Hi, I'm Tom. And I'm your captain. Now, what do you say we get this honeymoon helicopter volcano adventure started?
I get it.
Yeah. Do you guys have any headphones?
What?
Any headphones?
Really loud?
Yeah, you're really
loud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be loud. We're in a helicopter. Captain, I'm in the backseat. I'm sad because it's helicopter. Tom, good luck, Tom.
All right, you know I can hear everything you're saying, right?
Oh, good. Have I told you what a great pilot Tom's gonna be?
No, I heard. Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Now on your right, you'll see a super sexy volcano.
Oh! I don't see anything.
We so got you good! Yeah, I said the volcano was on the right, but it was really on the left! There was no volcano when you looked out the window! You freaking idiots!
Okay, I'm not a confrontational man, but you just passed my line. Please do not call me and my beautiful new wife idiots. Alright, look, we paid $500 for this honeymoon helicopter adventure, so if we could see some flipping volcanoes, that'd be nice.
Daddy, when are you gonna tell them? So I definitely forgot to put enough gas in this helicopter. We are probably going to crash.
What? What?
We just got married!
I know, we're
got our whole life
Tom does not like loud noises. Also, he needs to see what the helicopter crash is like.
But aren't you two going to die too?
Why would you do that on our first
Oh
day?
my God, we're gonna die.
No, Tom and I brought 2 parachute life jackets for ourselves.
Oh, for yourselves.
Yeah.
Oh, come on! It'll be just like that Shakespeare play, you know, the one with the lovers.
Romeo and Juliet?
No, that's not the one. Oh, Tom, you're thinking of Hamlet because of the part where Ophelia drowns. Yeah, you guys will be like Hamlet and Ophelia. Well, I guess Ophelia and Ophelia.
Please just turn this stupid thing around. Sorry, what did you say?
Captain.
I said to turn this stupid thing around, please.
I'm sorry, do you really think helicopters are stupid? Captain, don't get upset.
I'm not upset, Tom.
Captain, do you want to visit from the Tickle Monster?
No, but if you look outside, you guys will see a volcano to the left.
Uh-oh.
That is really
I heard a knock on the window.
No, Tom, that's just the sound the gas tank makes as it slowly makes its way to empty.
Oh my God.
No, it's a Tickle Monster! Oh my
Riding in our helicopter today. This concludes your honeymoon helicopter adventure.
Oh,
Honey, we're on the ground.
oh my God.
We're on the ground.
So you mean that we weren't going to die?
Oh, I can't crash the helicopter when the Tickle Monster's on board.
Oh,